Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Cake Wallet. So let's get started right away. If you haven't installed the Cake Wallet on your device already, then just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for Cake Wallet in the application. Once you find the app, tap on the install button and wait until the installation is complete. And then when you see the open button, tap on it and open up the app. Now once the application is opened, you will see two different options: to create a new wallet or to restore your existing wallet. In order to log in, tap on the second option and now you can restore from three different methods. You can either scan a QR code for your existing account or restore from backup using a backup file. The most effective way is to use your seed keys. So tap on Restore from Seed Keys and then enter your desired PIN. Type in your PIN once again to confirm it, and now your PIN has been set up successfully. You can then simply select which kind of currency or wallet you want to restore. After tapping on your currency, tap on the next button, and now you will be asked to enter your wallet name as well as your seed. So simply go ahead and type in the name of your wallet followed by your seed key. After entering both of these, you can simply tap on the Restore button and you will successfully be logged into your account on Cake Wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Cake Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.